sir.
Come in. Take your seat. How are you?
Fine, sir. Little bit anxious.
Huh?
Little bit anxious.
Okay. What makes you anxious?
Sir, this is my first time to appear before such a great panel, and there is some fear inside whether.
Should that be inspiring or creating anxiety?
It happens both ways, sir. Yes, it is a great opportunity to come here, but also a bit anxious about my performance, live performance. But I'll overcome it, sir.
Yeah, you will work. What we appreciate is you have reached this stage right in the first attempt, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell us how you did it.
Sir, actually, I was preparing for civil services. But I failed in civil services prelims. But the same preparation helped me in clearing the CAPF prelim and main stage. That's I didn't study specifically for CAPF, safe that way.
So this time if you are selected, you will join CISF as what?
As assistant commandant, sir.
And what will be your salary?
As I have researched, it is about 60,000.
What will be your further journey within CISF?
Sir, after 7 to 8 years, I will be promoted from assistant commandant to deputy commandant, then commandant, and after that inspector general level. And currently there is no provision for director of the CISF for.
You will be director general.
No, I won't be.
Why? Why won't you be director general?
Because sir, there is currently no provision for the CAPF cadres to reach to that level. Currently, those posts are being reserved for IPS cadre officers.
What is your opinion about this fact?
Sir, my opinion is that it is a right policy of the government, as the IPS cadre officers are helpful in maintaining the coordination of CAPF cadres, the CAPF forces with the state government policies and other forces as well.
Looks like you are more serious about civil service, in which you want to join IPS.
Sir, it is not such a thing that I am more serious about that. I will join any forces I will get as of, in my first attempt, and I am planning to join it.
As assistant commandant, what will be your duties?
Sir, in various forces there are various duties. In which specifically force you are asking?
CISF.
CISF. Sir, in CISF, the primary duty of assistant commandant is to look over his or her unit, and whatever the
That is primary duty.
yes, sir, primary duty. To look.
Are they supposed to do some duty or look over the unit?
Yes, sir. There isn't. They are also supposed to look after their unit, their personnel. At the same time, whatever the duties assigned to them, for example, protecting a specific
duty is primary or looking after the unit is primary?
Sir, I think looking after unit is also his duty. As being the leader of their unit, it is his duty.
You are on the word primary.
I still think, sir, it is his primary duty among all other primary duties. It is not the sole duty.
You were a tour coordinator during your college tour to Palghar, Kazim
Yes.
Palghar.
Yes.
Tell me, what all did you do as a tour coordinator, which
Sir.
helped in conduct of this tour?
As a coordinator of this tour, my primary responsibility was to communicate with the various organizations heads and various officers to which we were planning to visit and have interaction with them. After that, my duties was to with the members who are participating in this tour, with their help and their convenience, to plan proper days, proper visit and have a nice visit. That was my primary task as a coordinator.
And what are the challenges that you faced?
Sir, I clearly remember that the tour was during the vacations of Diwali, and the issue was our college exams were after Diwali vacation. So there were reluctance among the candidates, among my friends and other students to come to this visit. But my primary task was to convince them to come along this visit and have the first-hand experience of the tribal life, the various NGOs working for them. After that, my another challenge was to take the appointments of these various officers and NGOs heads and convince them how it will be helpful for us.
Tell me, what are the duties of a good citizen of India?
Sir, the good duties duties of a good citizen is firstly to serve his nation in whatever capacity he or she can. This is the first his or her duty. Secondly, I believe that he or she should follow the fundamental duties given in our constitution, such as respecting the national symbols, protecting our environments, then as a parent, looking after your children's education.
If you were to look after the environment, what will you do? What specific action will you take in this capacity as a normal citizen?
So, firstly, in my capacity as a citizen, I'll take the care of not polluting either rivers or air or noise pollution. Any kind of pollution, I'll refrain myself from doing any such activities, because the pollution is the most detrimental thing to this environment. Secondly, I'll also participate in various plantation drives. I'll also try to make my home and nearby places more green, and yes sir, that's what I will do.
Okay, very briefly tell me the history of Pune.
Sir, Pune as a village was developed during the Rashtragut era, 8th 9th century. Then it became quite a larger village. It was called Punauri. After that, when Shivaji Maharaj came to this village, they renamed it as Pune. And after that, it grew. During the Peshwa rule, the Pune became more powerful and more urban. More settlements was being done here. After that, during the British era, the Pune became a central place for various armed forces activities, as the cantonment was established here. And currently, mostly after independence era, Pune became an educational hub and also an IT hub of the country.
Okay, now despite having such a good history, why has Pune been the highest, having highest number of cases in Maharashtra as far as corona is concerned? It dropped even Bombay with cases.
Yes, sir. The primary reason, I think, that the citizens of Pune didn't follow the proper COVID norms, such as wearing the mask, following the government instructions. That was the first reason I think Pune had such a large number of cases. Secondly, sir, the public health infrastructure in the Pune was quite limited. The pressure of the rising numbers was not handled carefully. Thirdly, I think, sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able to answer that.
You studied in Ferguson College.
Yes, sir.
Who was Mr. Ferguson?
Sir, Mr. Ferguson was the governor of then state, Bombay state. He had helped in the establishment of Ferguson College.
If you were to rename this college, what name will you give it?
Let me think a moment.
Thank you.
I'll give name of Lokmanya Tilak, sir. Lokmanya Tilak College.
If you were asked to visit a good tourist spot in India, which is the place you would like to visit and why?
Sir, I like to visit Tibetan Tawang Monastery. That's my wish for a long time.
Yeah, but why? Why do you want to go to Tawang Monastery?
Sir, there is no specific reason, but I just feel to visit that place. I had read a book about BRO, Border Road Organization. In that, I had come across the references of the monastery. That's why I feel that is my innermost desire to visit that place.
Tawang is claimed by the Chinese as a part of their country. So what is that part of the country that they call?
Sir, I think it's not sure, but it is Tibetan region, and that is also the name of their province, Tibet region.
As a CISF Assistant Commander, how many boys will be there under you, Jawans?
Sorry, sir.
How many Jawans will be serving under you?
Sir, normally the unit size varies as per the locations. For example, we have a larger airport like Delhi Airport or Mumbai Airport, then there will be more number of Jawans, but around 120.
So suppose will you have mix of men and women or only men or only women?
Sir, it is mix of men and women.
So you are guarding an airport
Yes.
which is having threats, terrorist threats, and you get some inputs that terrorist attack may come.
Mm.
And that time, about 10 Jawans, five ladies say five that they have severe problem at home and they have to leave. So, will you give them leave or will you stop their leave?
Sir, first of all, I'll try to get the intel. What is the duration of the terrorist attack? Will it be immediately conducted or is there any time lapse? And if there is no such information, I'll deny them permission to visit their forces. As for any soldier, the duty is the first thing, nation is the first thing, and his family or her family come after that.
Whom will you contact the terrorists when you are attacking?
No, sir.
Then
We have various intelligence agencies that provide such kind of.
can they give you exact time that at so and so time, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, they are going to attack?
No, sir. Not in this manner. I was talking larger time frame, whether the attack will be conducted within 5 or 10 days or after a month. That kind of impression we had also for 26/11 attack as well, as I read.
But you said that your primary responsibility was looking after the Jawans.
Sir,
Then you should find them only. Why should you hold them? Because that is the problem.
no, sir. Primary responsibility is also looking for, but it is not the sole responsibility. His primary
Sir, how many, if I say there is one primary and one secondary responsibility, then which is primary and which is secondary now?
Sir, there are primary duties and not primary duty. That's what I was talking. If I accept I made mistake using word primary, but I feel that his duty is also looking after his men and women.
When you are giving you so many hints, you still were insisting that no, looking after this is your primary. You should take the hint and then correct yourself.
Yes, sir.
Nothing wrong if you have done something wrong in the earlier stage.
Sorry, sir.
You have, when did you generate this interest in uniform services?
Sir, I have family background of uniform service.
Mm.
I have grew up watching my cousin brother serving in Indian Army. One is serving in Indian Medical Corps, and other cousin is serving in Maratha Light Infantry.
So, you have tried once for NDA,
Yes, sir.
but then you haven't taken this serious option at all.
Sir, unfortunately, I am not medically qualifiable for CS, as the power of my lenses is quite high. That's why I didn't apply
Yes, you
for
could,
CS. But I am qualifying CAPF.
CAPF, you fall in that range of.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the motto of CISF?
It is security and protection.
And you have done this karate black belt also.
Yes, sir.
How many steps are there to reach black belt?
Sir, there are total 7 belts. First is white, which shows your very junior rank. Then you have yellow belt, then orange, then green, then blue, brown, and black belt.
You reach the last stage.
Yes,
You don't look like karate black belt on the.
sir. Most of the black belts don't look like, but they fight well.
No, I mean Bruce Lee.
Yes, sir.
You
Even
can see
after
that.
wearing shirts and pants, Bruce Lee was not able to look like a black belt karate champion.
Are you still practicing?
Not, sir.
That's what I mean. Yeah.
Then you attended one. Firstly, I must congratulate you on your perseverance that you have continued. Otherwise, many people will leave it in between.
Thank you, sir.
You have done this leadership course in Jnana Prabodhini.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
tell me something about that?
Yes, sir. Sir, leadership development course in Anthropology was about developing the administrative leadership qualities among the raw students. Under it, we had a system of knowing yourself, knowing your system, and knowing your society. For that purpose, we had various tours, various camps, and various sessions of various officers. Under it, they try to inculcate, not inculcate, we have the potential of leadership in everybody it has. They just try to develop it in various capacities. For that, they give us various group tasks as volunteer, then as a leader, and also other activities to plan ourselves and implement ourselves, such as trekking, conducting various events in colleges and in the institution Anthropology itself.
What is the duration of the course?
So it was, for me, it was 1.5 years. Normally it was 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
There is what, weekly you get it?
Yes, weekly, sir. Weekly. In the first year it is weekly, and in the second year it is daily.
Daily.
Yes, sir.
And do they grade you after?
Sorry, sir.
Do they grade you? Give some grading?
No, sir, but they do give certificate.
It does not give any grading. They just say that you attended this course.
Yes, sir.
Lastly, there is one word, it's acronym in short form, SOP. Can you tell me what is SOP stand for?
Sir, SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedures.
So, when you are in charge of a airport, will there be one SOP for you, or will there be more than one? And where will they be placed? And can you give me one example where you will follow a SOP?
Sir, truly I am unaware about the training and the SOPs for assistant commanders. But if you allow, may I guess about this?
There is nothing like SOP for assistant commander.
Yes. Okay.
There is SOP for some particular
Yes, sir. There
job
is-
or something like that. So,
It will be SOPs in various situations. For example, if there is a plane crash, there will be a specific SOP for. If there is an terrorist attack, there will be another SOP, as I think.
where will they be available?
Sir, mostly they will be taught in the training itself. But sorry, sir, I don't know where it will be taught.
If you are placed in Delhi and Mumbai and you are talking about terrorist attack, will the SOP same for Delhi and Mumbai?
Probably yes, sir. But I'm not sure about this answer.
Will not be same, there will be some changes depending on the location.
They will be similar,
They will be similar
but not same.
same.
What was this Transform Maharashtra
Competition. Ma'am, in 2017, Government of Maharashtra and IIT Bombay had conducted this competition across the states to engage the youth of the state in governance and policy formation. Under this, Government of Maharashtra had given various 11 socio-economic problems that the state is facing, and they were expecting some policy plans by the students on these issues. So this
what
was
was your contribution to
Ma'am, out of those 11 subjects, me and my team had chosen the issue of drought-free Maharashtra. The theme was Jai Kisan, drought-free Maharashtra, and under it we had given a plan to the government. Our contribution was we, our team of 5 members, we studied extensively for 3 months various issues that Maharashtra is facing in the drought, various efforts taken by the government.
What solution did you give?
Ma'am, our solution was quite different, simple, sustainable, and scientific. What we had proposed in that plan was bringing together the government, the NGOs, the students, and the villagers, where we have to do the work of water management. In that, we had proposed that the government will call for the volunteers from colleges, will give them training and training in scientific water management. These teams of students will go to the villages, and with villagers' participation, that was the crucial thing, that villagers' participation for the sustainability. Otherwise, what is happening that government is doing some schemes, people are not involved in it, and the plans are after 4 or 5 years, everyone forgets about that. Therefore, the crucial thing was people's participation in it, NGOs monitoring it, and government also monitoring it, and
Basically
they-
implementing the government plan to
yes, people. It was a bottom-up approach.
Okay. What is the Sati Enabling Center? Sati Enabling Center.
Sati Enabling Center, sir. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, it is a center in Ferguson College, which works for the visually challenged students.
What do you?
I work there in capacity as a writer for the visually challenged students. As they are not able to see, they can't write their paper, so they need the help of some other students to complete their paper. So whenever I used to get opportunity, I used to.
And what are Marathi fictions? It seems you already understand what I'm going to ask.
Yeah, ma'am, I know my detailed application form. So Marathi fiction.
What is that?
Detailed application form. Ma'am, in Marathi fiction, I have read Panipat novel.
Is it fiction?
Yes, sir, historical novel is part of fiction.
Is Panipat fiction?
Yes, I'm doubtful about it.
So I bet Panipat you can call
Sir, I have read
historical.
other books,
Tell us.
such as Jhada Jadti. It is a fiction, sir. Then
Are you asking for confirmation from the answer?
no, I thought sir is looking doubtful. That's why. Sorry, sir.
Actually, I would argue with you that Jhada Jadti also is not fiction, in the sense that it is not imaginary. Jhada Jadti is based on all real experiences in civil service.
Then I'll go sir, research more about what is fiction, what is included in, and let's
Just tell
Okay,
us.
tell us now.
Yeah.
Yes. What are books you have read?
I have read English novel, The Alchemist, then some other things by Amish, the triologist, the trilogy of Shiva.
Have you read his latest book?
No, I read it in my graduation in city.
I asked you, have you read his latest book?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. No, ma'am.
Which is his latest book?
I think it is on Lord Shiva. But I'm
Lord Shiva is Shiva Trilogy.
sorry, ma'am. I don't know. I have read about it, but I don't recollect it. Right. Sorry.
Okay. That's it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you like about Amish's writing?
The most important thing that I liked about him is that the way, the scientific way he has explained our mythologies. That's very appalling thing for me, that these mythologies can be also explained in this way. That's one thing that I liked about him.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Wish you a very happy weekend, sir.
Yeah. Happy Diwali for you too.
Thank you, sir.
उत्तम आहे इंटरव्ह्यू. पॅनल मेंबर्सनी त्यांच्या नोट्स पण तयार केल्या त्या तुला देणार आणि काही थोडे ऑब्झर्वेशन एकच जागा तुझ्या इंटरव्ह्यूतली आहे की तिथे थांबून विचार का करावा लागतो. फर्ग्युसन नाव जर बदलायचं झालं तर तू असं खाली बघून आणि बराच वेळ विचार करून मग लोकमान्य टिळक आठवले.
मी विचारच केला नव्हता की असं काही नाव द्यावं लागेल.
नाही ना, ऑनगोईंग इश्यू आहे तो. आणि प्रपोज नाही आगरकर कॉलेज, कारण ही वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ फर्ग्युसन कॉलेज. म्हणजे तो असा आउट ऑफ ब्लू प्रश्न नाही येतो, त्या प्रश्नाला एक करंट रेलेव्हन्स आहे.
नाही सर, माझ्या वाचनात आहे. मी करतो रिसर्च त्यावर.
आणि बदलायला विरोध आहे, फर्ग्युसनचाच विरोध आहे. म्हणजे कॉलेज मुलं एकूण संस्थेशी संबंधित त्याचा विरोध आहे. फर्ग्युसन म्हटल्यावर जी इमेज येते आणि एकदम आगरकर कॉलेज म्हटल्यानंतर जे काकूबाई डोळ्यासमोर उभे राहते असं त्यापायी विरोध आहे. पण इश्यू करंट होता. अदरवाईज तुझी सगळी उत्तरं द्यायला अप टू द मार्क विचार केलेला आहेस. एक म्हणजे आज क्लीन शेवण नाही आहेस, पण इंटरव्ह्यूच्या दिवशी क्लीन शेवण पाहिजे, फ्रेश दाढी याची. नंतर ड्रेस हा आहे का मनात?
नाही सर, हा इंटरव्ह्यू मित्राकडून घेतलाय.
काय आहे ड्रेस काय आहे? टाय आणि सूट आहे?
हो, नाही सूट मी तर नाही घेणार.
काय?
शर्ट टाय घेणार आहे. शर्ट असेल आणि जर सूट अरेंज झाला मित्राकडून तर घेईल.
पण मग घालणार असलास तर सूटामध्ये तू कम्फर्टेबल असण्याची प्रॅक्टिस कर. एकदम इंटरव्ह्यूच्या वेळी सूट घालून गेलास तर प्रश्न राहतील बाजूला आणि मनाचा एक भाग त्या ड्रेसमध्ये कम्फर्टेबल राहण्यात येते. प्रॅक्टिस वेअरिंग द सूट, प्रॉपर टाय आणि सूट. बाकी यू व्हॉलंटियर टू से दॅट आय विल जॉईन ऑल द सर्व्हिसेस. हे पॉझिटिव्ह सगळे तुझ्याच्यातले बाकी पॉझिटिव्हच आहेत. एका फक्त त्या कराटे ब्लॅक बेल्ट याच्यावर तू पॅनेलला प्रतिप्रश्न विचारलास, काउंटर क्वेश्चन. नेव्हर आस्क अ काउंटर क्वेश्चन टू द पॅनेल. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन यू कॅन टर्न इट इन टू अ स्टेटमेंट इन्स्टेड ऑफ अ काउंटर क्वेश्चन. डू यू मीन सो अँड सो च्या ऐवजी सर आय सपोज यू मीन सो अँड सो असं म्हणून उत्तराला पुढे सर का आहे. आवाज व्यवस्थित आहे असाच राहू दे, एनर्जी ज्या आवाजामध्ये येते असा राहू दे. एकच आहे की सर्व काळ हात गुडघ्यावर बांधून का बसलास. स्पीक इझिली.
ओके, म्हणजे मी असं वाचलेलं की हँड मुवमेंट्स जास्त करू नका. नॅचरली होत होत्या पण मी थांबवलं.
नाही, नॅचरली जेवढ्या आहेत तेवढ्या होत्या, फक्त अति नको.
ओके.
जेस्टिक्युलेटिव्ह. पण काही जण जे की नाही असे हात बांधून असं किती अवघडून बसल्यासारखं, मग त्यांनी सहजतेवर परिणाम होतो. तर इझी आणि सहज त्याच्या आणि शेवटाकडची एक दोन उत्तरं थोडी लांबली आहेत, ती ब्रीफ करता आली तर बस. शार्प आणि ब्रीफ, पहिल्या वाक्याला उत्तर अशी करतात. पण उत्तम आहे. तुझा आजचा स्कोर 106 म्हणतो. ऑलरेडी गुड. आणखी हो, हा एक सांगायचं राहिलं की आलास आणि फक्त थांबलास ते नाही. समथिंग गुड आफ्टरनून मॅडम किंवा नमस्ते चालेल असं काहीतरी विश राहिलं होतं. तुला काही प्रश्न नाही?
तर बसताना म्हणजे एकदम पाठीमध्ये बसलं.
पाठ टेकून बसा, म्हणजे 90 डिग्रीज पण पाठ टेकून.
जर मागे गेलं तर 90
Lower back should be raised. Lower back, not like the chair.
Okay.
Then automatically you will be upright.
Yeah. Right? Excellent, Mayur. यशस्वी होणार आहेस. Go ahead, get success. आणि कसा झाला इंटरव्ह्यू कळू.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes, one more thing I want to tell you. Actually, you have a lot of extracurricular activities to upgrade. Very good thing you have done. If you get a chance, you should bring them out during the interview. Somebody says introduce yourself. You know, when you introduce yourself, you mention the activity like the SARS. It's something unique. You nobody does. All this coordinated you've done so many things you've done.
Certain.
If you are given a chance, bring it out. Or if during any question comes, to bring it out and elaborate on it.
Second.
That shows a true leader.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
all the best.
Thank you, sir.